So this device is called VAVs, means variable air volume. The company is Distech Control, and use of this device VAV is actually, if you see this side, the damper is there. So inside this there is one damper placed, which means like this damper is there, it will open and close like this. So with the help of this controller we are controlling the movement of damper. You will see the air will flow from this side to this side, so accordingly it will move damper like this, whatever we will calibrate. So if you will find this thermostat here, this wire is go to thermostat, where we are like changing the temperature from 16 degree Celsius to 30 degree Celsius. So with change of temperature this damper is moving. Like if we change the temperature to 16 degree Celsius, that means we required much cooling. So at that time if we put in thermostat 16 degree Celsius, the damper start opening, so it will open, then the chilled cool air will pass from this tunnel to the required duct system. This going downward, okay, inside the room. So if we change the temperature to 16 degree Celsius, that means much cooling we required. If we change it to like 21 degree, 25 degree or 30 degree, so damper will start closing. Accordingly what we are giving value to the thermostat, so accordingly that the damper will start moving. So this is the device from Distech Control. The protocol is backnet. You can find here, this is the communication port. This is the power port. Here you will find this tube. This tube is connected this side. If you will see, this is a two side where the flow of air will be calculated accordingly with these tubes. So this tube is also connected with this controller. You can see this is the damper. This will move like this, clockwise, anti-clockwise. This is used in HVAC system where large amount of cooling system required. You can see here, this is the AHU, which is air handling unit. You can find this is the overall AHU. You can see here also this branch, here also VAV is there, and this go downward to the room. So every room has definite number of VAVs, so we can control the temperature from there if we required in each room. So thank you for watching this video.